marriage of Kevin and Carmina, and also Jesly and Mary Ford. Before we proceed with the civil marriage rights, I request all of us to please stand up and let's get a short prayer. Medyo nangapapa. But anyway, I'll make sure that everything is in order and legal. So let us begin. The parents of the parties, are they here? Okay. The contract of marriage in the Philippines is governed primarily by the book of persons and family relations. So, marriage is governed by the law of man and by the law of God. The law of God is embodied in the Bible. Kevin Lexter Lee Soriano, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself with Carmina as husband and wife? Do you swear before us, before this Bible and before this book, that you really love Carmina, that you will love her forever? So Carmina, Ladran Guerrero, did you come here to really bind yourself with Kevin Lexter Lee Soriano to be his wife? Do you swear that you came here on your own free will? By virtue of the power vested in me as under the revised administrative code and being your mayor, there being no objection, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ilagay mo sa Facebook yan. Tignan niyo pala sa account natin yan, lahat ng miris sa ano. Ano ba yung, may Facebook tayo, di ba?
LGO Piat.
Oo. Okay. Marriage should be known to everyone para walang lokohan. Diba? It should be published. That's why we are publishing that in our Facebook. Meron tayong Facebook account dito sa Municipality of Piat. So,